Hello, everyone. Welcome to the DBMS full course, from beginner to advanced. In this course, we are going to learn how data is stored, managed, secured, and used in real-world software applications. Whether you are a college student, a beginner in programming, or preparing for placements, this course will build a strong foundation for you. By the end of this course, you will clearly understand how databases work behind websites, mobile apps, and enterprise systems. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what DBMS actually means. DBMS stands for Database Management System. A DBMS is a software system that helps us store, manage, and retrieve data efficiently in a structured format. Instead of saving data in simple files like text files or Excel sheets, a DBMS stores data in a well-organized structure using tables, rows, and columns. It also provides a safe, fast, and reliable way to work with large amounts of data. You can insert data, update it, delete it, and search it easily using queries. Some popular examples of DBMS are MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server. Almost every modern application you use today depends on a DBMS in the background. Now, the question is, why do we even need a DBMS? Let's look at three main reasons. First, centralized control. A DBMS stores all data in one central place. This reduces duplication and prevents mismatched or inconsistent data. Second, efficiency DBMS provides optimized ways to search, insert, and manage large amounts of data very quickly. Doing the same thing with files would be slow and complex. Third, accessibility. Multiple users and applications can safely access the same data at the same time without conflicts. DBMS ensures proper control so data remains correct and secure. Because of these reasons, DBMS is used everywhere, from small apps to large enterprise systems. Now, let's compare a file system with a DBMS, because this comparison is very important for exams and interviews. Data redundancy. In a file system, the same data is often stored in multiple files. This increases duplication. In a DBMS, data is stored in a centralized database, so redundancy is minimized. Data consistency. In a file system, if duplicate data is updated in one file but not in others, inconsistency occurs. In a DBMS, data is updated at a single place, so consistency is maintained. Security file systems provide basic security, mostly handled by the operating system. DBMS provides strong security features like user authentication, authorization, and access control. Integrity constraints. In file systems, enforcing rules like unique data or valid relationships is very difficult. In DBMS, integrity constraints like primary key, foreign key, and checks are easily enforced. Concurrent access. If multiple users access the same file system at the same time, data conflicts can occur. DBMS handles this using locking and transaction management. Backup and recovery. In file systems, backup and recovery are manual and time-consuming. In DBMS, automatic backup and recovery mechanisms are available. Because of all these advantages, DBMS is preferred over traditional file systems. In the next part of this course, we will dive deeper into database concepts step by step and also look at practical examples. If you found this helpful, stay connected and keep learning.